Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch by James Dean. Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch by James Dean. Lunch? Here comes Pete. It is lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. What should Pete eat? A sandwich would be nice. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the fridge. He takes out a loaf of bread. He finds a yummy fish. He adds tomato and mayo. Pete looks at his sandwich. It is too small. Something is
missing.
Say it loud.
Missing.
Pete knows what it needs. His sandwich needs an
Apples.
Pete loves
Apples.
his sandwich needs
Crackers.
crackers are crunchy.
Crunchy.
Pete loves
Crackers.
crunchy.
Crunchy crackers.
Pete looks at his sandwich again. It is still too
Small.
Pete is very
Hungry.
Pete adds a
Pickled.
say the whole thing.
Pete adds cheese. Pete adds an egg. 2 hot dogs. A banana. And a can of beans.
Something is missing. Pete adds
Ice cream.
He takes 3 huge scoops. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Pete wonders what to do. Pete thinks and thinks. I've got it, Pete says. Pete calls all of his friends. He asks them to come over. 6. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They are all very hungry. Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asks Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Pete's sandwich is good. Pete's sandwich is very good. Pete's sandwich is all gone. Pete's friends are full. They liked Pete's big lunch. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome, Pete says. Sharing is cool.